Are you ready to take your college football journey to the next level? In this tutorial, we will show you how to seamlessly transfer your road to glory player from college football 2025 to maiden NFL 25. Let's dive in. Complete your college career. First, ensure you are played at least 3 seasons in the road to glory mode. This is crucial as you need to reach a point where you can declare not declare for the NFL draft. Declare for the NFL draft. Once you are complete your third season, head over to the action screen. You will see a leave for the NFL tab. Click on it and choose the option to export your player to Maiden 25. Import into Maiden 25. Now switch over to Maiden NFL 25 in Superstar mode. Select the same position as your Road to Glory player. You will receive a notification prompting you to import your character. Enjoy enhanced stats. By transferring your player, you carry over all achievement and awards from College Football 25, plus additional creation points that boost your player's overall rating beyond the standard lap. Customization option. If you want to switch position in Maiden, feel free whether you were a quick break or running back in college. You can choose any position in Superstar mode. And there you have it. Transferring your character from college football 25 to maiden NFL 25 not only enhance your gameplay experience but also give you a hard head start in your NFL career with boost stats and accolades. If you have any question or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Happy gaming and enjoy dominating the NFL.